let us proceed to the root part. The first thing what you are going to do here is making a straight line at this area, making another straight line at this area, and extend this line lingually. Extend this line lingually. And mark a tapering shape of the root. Labially as well as lingually. This outline will support you to remove extrawax. Almost done. Now I am removing extra wax on lingual aspect. See, my blade is going from one direction to another direction. It is not double direction, it is unidirection. Mark as conical shape of the root. And remove extrawax. Now I am going to start lingual fossa, carving of lingual fossa, and now I am going to prepare the outline as incisal edge incisal ridge, mesial marginal ridge, distal marginal ridge, and cingulum. So it is W shape. The outline is almost W shape. So I will prepare the same here. Gentle pressure, gentle force will certainly help you to prepare proper lingual fossa. On other side of the carver, you can see a scoop, the spoon type structure, where you can gently remove extrawax to make fossa deeper. Usually on central incisor, it is not that deep as lateral and canine, but to compare it with central with other central, it is slightly deeper. Now you can see structures quite efficient. You can carefully see this is incisal edge or incisal ridge, mesial or distal marginal ridge, mesial or distal marginal ridge, and cingulum. Stop. Here I am going to mark the cervical line, which is convex in nature. And here the cervical line is V shape. Now put your blade on this ditch and pull like this, and remove extrawax on bottom side. Don't use hair, you can touch this area and make it more smoother. Now use gentle pressure to make it more finish. More shiny. I'm carving from crown to root, not from root to crown. Okay, use this technique. And 95% carving is done. Now I will use a polishing cloth to polish it properly. See how I have to do. Start from crown to root, crown to root, crown to root, crown to root. Use equivalents and smooth pressure to make it more shiny and more clear. Yeah, it is almost done. Trapezoid outline, crown convexity, concave surface, lingual fossa, tapering of the root, prominence of the cervical line, and cingulum. Thank you so much. I hope this carving is useful for you. I mean, these techniques, what I've shared with you, is useful for you. Looking forward for your comments in my YouTube channel, and I will certainly support you guys to with further carving techniques and tricks. Thank you so much.